Okay, welcome back with another video. I'm here to show why and what the reason why your Vivo smartphone isn't connecting to your PC with the help via USB cable. So here I took a guide from AI to let you know that what the reason and what is the accurate issue in your USB data cable. So let's see. First of all, I would like to tell that the issue is usually something like cable mode, drivers, or setting. Here is a practical way to troubleshoot it. Check USB mode on your phone. When you plug in the cable, swipe down notification panel, look for charging via USB. Tap it and select file transfer. If it says on charging only, your PC won't detect file. So this is a total. So this is just first step I describe and tell. And now the total methods I took from the AI. There's up to eight. It save my time and I don't want to waste your time also. Let's move. So here you can see it's a description guide and we discuss here and okay, let's move. Let's see ChatGPT have AI and another method is try a different cable or port. And the third method is enable developer option. Check drivers on your PC. Unlock your phone. Clean USB port. And seventh method is to restart both devices, your PC and the smartphone you are trying to connect. Test with another PC. If it still doesn't work, try another computer. If it fails everywhere, possible hardware issue. If nothing works, you might be dealing with faulty USB port, damaged cable, software bug. Yeah. So here we will discuss something more. We can take their all options and discuss and ask with our AI what other options or method should I follow. If none of above, none, if none of them work, mm, so focus, install MTB driver, manual fix, use ADB advanced mode, use wireless file transfer based alternative, boot into safe mode, reset USB driver, heading fix, and flash update driver. Use OTG instead backup method. Check hardware, very important. What I recommend. Priority order. Try ADB detection. Use Snapdrop, AirDroid. Like AirDroid is also it's a applications. Okay, Snapdrop AirDrive. You can install Snap AirDrop here. Upload files. It's by LambWire website. AirDrops. This is the applications. Test it in safe mode. Test still dead hardware issue. So there are the options I share with you. You can understand and you can easily uh, try your Vivo cable with your USB driver. So I hope so. That's all for now, and it's all easy for you. That's all. We will again connect with another video. For now, that's all.